Do the high prices of customer relationship management CRM software packages make you cringe? Do you want to ensure you can customize a system specific to your needs? Do you want to harness the power of Microsoft Excel and build your own CRM system? Do you want to see how easy it is to build your own custom CRM from start to finish? If you answered yes to any of the above, look no further. This is the course for you. Welcome to the course Excel 101, Create Your Own CRM in Excel Masterclass. My name is Chris Benjamin and I'll be your instructor in this course. I'm a professional accounting and finance expert. I currently work as a Chief Financial Officer, or CFO, and as well I've been an online instructor since 2013. Why you should take this course with me? Have you ever wanted to take control of your sales pipeline and customer relationship management? Maybe you didn't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on sophisticated systems, but still wanted more functionality than the basic free systems offer. You have come to the right place. With just a copy of Microsoft Excel, a little bit of time and this course, you'll have your own fully custom CRM system in next to no time. In this course we start with the basics of Excel so even a beginner will be able to build the template. From there, we take a blank workbook and start building our CRM system. By the end of the course, we will have a fully functional CRM system which can filter data, run queries, generate pivot table reports, and much more. Harness the power of Excel and combine it with your customer data to unleash an easy-to-use yet powerful CRM system. What we do in the course: learn the basics of Excel for beginners, intermediate, advanced can skip. Start with a blank workbook. Build all of the data fields you would want to track. This is fully customizable to whatever you want it to be. Create predefined lists so users are limited in the choices for some fields. Enter customer data for testing and demo purposes. Run filters on data to demonstrate the ease of use. Create pivot table reports to summarize large quantities of data. Create a dashboard report with the key metrics you would want out of your CRM. For example, number of customers at each stage of the sales cycle. Learn what not to do as well, only the best business practices. Teach you how to then use that information to make informed decisions. And much more. You will be truly impressed with the power of the CRM system. You are learning from a seasoned business consultant with 2 decades of real-world experience. If at any point during the course if you are confused or need clarification, send me a message. I'm here to help you, the student, and I love interacting with you. I've been in the business world for over 20 years, and can most likely answer your question. You've come to the right place to learn. I'm excited to start this journey with you. I look forward to seeing you in class. Be sure to sign up today.